Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm Blue Badge Crypto, bringing you this HTR update. Before we get going, get over on Twitter at Blue Badge Crypto. That's where you're going to get the most time-sensitive alerts on trends, trading, and analysis in the market. So here we have HATHOR chart. We're on the 3-day chart, just on a zoomed out look. And going back, we can see we have a A, B, and C wave up. We went below our A wave high here, and that presented a good short opportunity in the market. And now we're in our macro A, B, and C wave correction down, with our C wave being here. And now we're falling down to a level of support here that I actually updated on Twitter today, right at 0.5823. Okay, so we've come down. We've lost this level of support here. Okay, do y'all see this in this small dotted line here? We lost that level. We've gone and lost this next level of support, this next trend line here on a higher time frame, right around 75-ish cents or so. It came down here and it wanted to hang around for a little while. And now we are down here at 0.5823. And I gave the update earlier today saying this could be a level that you could play here. Let me get the arrow out of the way. That you could play and potentially have a tight stop loss, below the line. You could possibly use these wick lows over here where we once found support and have a stop loss there around 51 cents or so. And you could play this level if you wanted to. You could even have a tighter stop loss if you lost this line and have your stop loss there. But it is a level you could play here. If we were to lose this level on HTR, we're looking about a 31 cent HTR token. And I think that has to be kind of the last line of defense here, right? I mean, if we go below 31 cents here, we're going into all-time lows possibly, right? We have support level here from previous price action of these wick lows over here, as well back in January of 2021, where we had highs over here. So this is going to be very heavy confluence of support here, guys. So if we were to lose this 5823, you can look to put some good bids down here at the 31, 32 cent level, where you could have an absolute fantastic entry on HTR. Okay, so let's dive in a little bit closer. Let's get on a 4-hour chart here and see what we're looking at. Let's get zoomed in. So as you can see, we've come down, lost the previous trend line here, back tested as resistance, right? So we came down, used it as support, lost it, came down, used our level here as support, bounced off of it, and now back testing this level multiple times as resistance, right? So support, resistance, support, resistance. Now we're at support once again. So if we were to bounce here, you could get a possible HTR move coming back up to a line of 30+% here on a long for HTR. If we were to bounce here and the market comes along with us as far as Bitcoin total market cap, if Bitcoin starts tanking and the rest of the market starts tanking, then we could be looking at this level down here, right? So if you start seeing some price action where we come up and we don't quite get going, and then we come down and lose this level, back test this level as resistance, then we're possibly looking at that level here for HTR, where we could have that entry at 31, 32 cents, which could potentially offer an absolutely fantastic entry on HTR here. So far, I did give that alert on Twitter that we can play this level here on a long at 5823. It has gotten going just a tiny bit here. It's barely even moved off the line. It's what, 1% or 2% up off the line. So it has worked out so far if you are in this. But that's what we're looking at here, guys. What we want to see, right, is price action coming up here and start making those higher highs and higher lows to possibly work its way up and test this line right here as resistance once again. And if we were to break this, right, maybe we have some action where we just kind of, go sideways here, and then we can break this line, back test that as support. Then we'd be going for our A wave low here, which is on a macro view is what we're looking to do, right? So on that macro view, we want our A, B, and C wave correction. We want our C wave, price to come back above our A wave low here, hold it as a key level of support, and would be good for continuation. Similar to how we had the short opportunity here, right? We had our A, B, and C wave high. Price action came back below our A wave high here, back tested as a level of resistance here, and fell back down to our A wave low here now. Okay, do y'all see that in confluence with the support level here? So you could have had a short on HTR from $1.33 down to 93 cents potentially there. So that's what we're looking at on HTR right now. Again, this level right here does have some confluence on some of the indicators down here, so I'll show you all that. For instance, on the market cipher here, right, we're having a low, the same low, and then actually creating a slightly lower low here. But you can see we're actually, moving up. You had a pretty nice bullish divergence here where you created the same low essentially, but a much higher low in the oscillator. And same thing here, right? We're creating a higher low in the oscillator, but a lower low in price, right? So that in confluence with sitting on a support level is a pretty good indicator that you could have a decent long entry here and possibly be coming up here to test this resistance level again. Okay, guys, so if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and like it, hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions, throw them down in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching, guys.